Students of class 9, in this video we will discuss the question answer of the bond of love. Thinking about the text, see page 119, question number 1. Given in the box are some headings. Find the relevant paragraph in the text to match the headings. An orphan cup, Bruno's food chart, an accidental case of poisoning, playful Baba, pain of separation, joy of reunion, a request to the Jew, an island in the courtyard. Now you can find them and match them. Now see question number 2. Answer the following questions. I got him for her by accident. Who says this? Who do him or her refer to? What is the incident referred to here? First, question answer. The author says this. I got. Who says this? The author. Who do him? Him refers to the baby bear and her refers to the author's wife. The incident referred to the catching of the baby bear. Now see question number 2. He stood on his head in delight. Who does he refer to? He refers to the baby bear. Why was he delighted? He was delighted to see the author's wife after a long time. Next, answer the following questions in 30 to 40 words each. Question number 1. On 2 occasions, Bruno ate drunk something that should not be eaten drunk. What happened to him on these occasions? Bruno ate barium carbonate, which was put to kill the rats and mice. Paralysis set into the extent that he could not stand on his feet. Once he drank 1 gallon of old engine oil, but it had no ill effect whatever. Next question. Was Bruno a loving and playful pet? Why, then, did he have to be sent away? Yes, Bruno was a loving and playful pet, but he was mischievous also. The bear became very attached to the narrator's 2 Alsatian dogs and the children of the tenants. Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. Now her name was changed to Baba. Now he was getting too big to be kept at home, so he was sent to Jew. Next question. How was the problem of what to do with Bruno and finally solved? Bruno was not feeling happy after getting separated from the narrator's family. He was getting weak every day. The narrator's wife went to Mesur to meet Bruno. After seeing his pitiable condition, she decided to get Bruno back home. The narrator and his wife made a special arrangement for Bruno and created all facility for him. At last, Bruno was got stuck home in a small cage. Next question. Find these words in the lesson. They all have IE or EI. IE, as you can see in field, ingredient, IE, height, EI, mischievous, IE, friends, IE, 87, EI, relieved, IE, peace. Now see next question. Now there are some more words. Complete them with EI or IE. There is a popular rule of spelling I before E except after C. Check if this rule is true but by looking. If there is any C, then you will always write EI. Otherwise, IE will written. You can see examples. Believe, receive, CE, I, weird, EI, laser, EI, seize, wait, rain, faint, grieve, pierce. This rule is applicable only in the case of belief, grief, and pierce. The other words have EI instead of IE. So students, I think you are able to understand this. Thank you, students.